Very exciting times in the markets with a CPI beat at 0.4 when the month-over-month CPI data expectations were a 0.6, you guys. The markets ended up rallying to the upside, thus pressuring almost everything under the indices to the upside, including those indices, you guys. BTC also pumped from $15,700 all the way up to the $17,000 range, you guys, recuperating and returning a lot of those losses that were encountered by the FTX liquidity crisis, you guys. But where's DWAC gonna go? Where is DWAC gonna land with the Tuesday presidential announcement coming up, you guys? Well, let's go ahead and find out. What is up, you guys? Thank you so much for stopping by once again. This is ARCa coming at you with the DWAC statisticals and technicals thread of analysis. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video with a friend so that you and them could consider joining our trading community and Discord, ARCab. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right into the charts and look at what we have here, you guys. Okay, so we do have yesterday, towards the end of the video, I did mention this was where we were yesterday, you guys. You can actually see based on the dates down here. See, that's the 11/9 and this is 11/10. So we did mention that we did have bearish price action coming in, and we said that we were likely to come back in and test this support top of the gap range that we still have open right here, you guys, and likely we were going to come back up and test this newly converted support into now resistance, and we have since done exactly that, you guys. So if the importance of watching the video entirely all the way, you guys, is great, because I have been accused of being incorrect with the calls that I made for DWAC. I am not pumping this stock. I am not giving you any FUD. I am not a short seller in this stock. Whenever I need to open up a short position, I'd rather do long puts. Okay, you guys. So please know that I am not here to give you any runaround. I am telling you what the charts are saying. I have lots of experience looking at the charts, and this is precisely what happened and precisely what I said. Okay, you guys. So let's go ahead and continue. We're looking at resistance touch of the NOT 618 as well, you guys. So this actually used it as a resistance as well as our resistance top of the descending channel that we are currently in, you guys. So I did, and I have mentioned before that we did have a test 3, and usually the test 3 presents the biggest capitulation. Now, based on our 4-hour volatility versus momentum profile back test, we actually ended up calling a minus 18.7% decline, in which we got almost exactly of, you guys, based on statistical metrics. Okay, you guys. So now we are looking at some potentials here, you guys. Usually now in candle analysis, usually when we print an inverted hammer at the top of the trend, you guys, especially when it's an 8-hour candle, you guys, that doesn't look too good. Okay, you guys, this means that the bears have taken control from the buy pressure. So we have to be very careful with what's happening. Okay, and this is likely in respects to an accumulation period for a rip when President Trump talks or makes his formal announcement on Tuesday the 15th, you guys. We are definitely looking in to what DWAC can make, and if it is in the bull's favor, you guys, DWAC can make a momentous move to the upside, you guys, thus pressuring short positions out of their positions and covering lots of stop losses on that way up. Okay, you guys. So we definitely have to be careful here. We have to remember to practice risk management, and also, most importantly, I am not a financial advisor. I cannot actually suggest for you to buy or sell any asset. Please take whatever I do say or iterate within these videos as a form of entertainment. I need you to do your own DD and we'll be okay. All right, you guys. So let's go ahead and move on to the next chart and see what we have. So this is the 12-hour RSI read that we're looking at here, you guys. We were able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 primary drives of hidden bearish divergence, of which since it has been realized. Now the 12-hour RSI has made a bearish cross below the moving average, and it is suggesting a slight downside pivot, you guys, but this is more like sideways trading right here, you guys. So we may actually be trading within this range for the next couple sessions before we have the presidential announcement, you guys. What we can look at is other time frames to see if we can get a closer bias and direction for the immediate short-term time frames, you guys. Let's look at the 30-minute. New viewers, new listeners, please take a gander at this. This is the bullish control zone upper half of the RSI, and this is the bearish control zone bottom half of the RSI, you guys. The inner workings of either is the weakness percentile, and the outer workings is the strength percentile. So as you can see here, the 30-minute immediate short-term time frame is at complete indecision, you guys. We are smack in the middle of the RSI, suggesting sideways trading. Let's go ahead and move up to the buy hourly and see what it has to say for us, you guys. So the buy hourly as well, right smack in the middle and trading sideways, okay, you guys. So this is likely in respects to the announcement coming up on Tuesday, okay, you guys. We do have to keep that in mind, that there is a psychological component added to this. So the technicals and statistics are not going to play a complete play within this asset, you guys. We definitely have to keep in mind our psychological component, which is the presidential announcement. Now, higher term time frame, 6-hour RSI is also suggesting sideways trading, you guys. Let's go ahead and open up the daily, since we already did see the 12-hour, and the 12-hour was with all these hidden bearish divergence drives, you guys. Okay, the daily is also suggesting sideways trading, you guys. I will not suggest entry into this if you're not already in from a lower level, you guys. So, my mentor once told me that if you can't find the edge in your trade, if you can't find the edge within your strategy, within your process, don't trade it. It's simple. Just don't trade it. Okay, you guys? And that sometimes, the easiest way to make money is actually to keep the money, right? So I think that this is a pretty good place for me to leave off the video for now, you guys, but we will continue updating DWAC as we lead into Tuesday, you guys. So if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me on Discord, on Twitter. I'll make sure to leave the links in the description below for you to consider joining the Discord trading community, and it's called ARCa, okay, you guys? So with that said, I wish you a good night, and I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios.